Discount coupons are a great promotional tool to entice customers to make a purchase on your store. So today we're going to learn how to create discount coupons. Let's get started by logging into your store. Scroll down and click Marketing, followed by Add Discount Coupons. Now, normal discount and discount by products are almost the same except for one extra step where you add selected products. So we're going to go ahead and just click Discount by Products. Let's start by giving your discount coupon an ID that your customers can easily remember. In this case, I'm going to give mine, I'll call mine ID 2024 because Independence Day is coming up real soon over here. I'm going to give it a start date, right? I'm going to give it an end date, and then I'm going to give it a discount name. Right, Independence Day 2024, 50% off. So the next thing to do is to give it a discount value. I'm going to choose percentage and I'm going to give it 50%. I'm going to set 50% discount value. All right, but you can choose to give monetary value. Okay, so this means $50 off. Now be careful when you set this, right? Because say your item is $50 and you give a $50 monetary discount, which means your customers can get the item for free. All right, so be careful when setting this, right? So I'm going to set this to 50% discount. Now when I choose percentage, notice this, right? When you choose percentage, right, maximum discount value option appears. Okay, so what's this? You will notice this in marketplaces, right? So marketplaces tend to give, like, say, for example, 50% off, but they can set a value. Usually it's written in fine print, 50% off, but maximum discount is set at, say, $10. All right. Okay, so in this case, I'm not going to set a limit here. Next, the minimum order level. Now, would you like your customers to qualify for the discount? Maybe they have to buy 5 units before they can qualify for the discount, or maybe they have to buy items worth $250 before they can qualify. That's up to you. Okay, so in this case, I'm not going to make it so difficult for them to buy or to qualify for the discount. I'm going to just set it to 1, so all they have to do is just order 1 item and they can qualify for the discount. Usage limit. Now if you want to create some urgency, you can limit this, right? Say yes, and let's say the usage limit is, like, say 50. So once 50 users of these coupons are up, customers won't get to enjoy this discount anymore. Okay, so this can create urgency. So in this case, I'm not going to set a usage limit either. Okay, next is max users per customer. Now if you use this, your customers need to be logged in order for the store to be able to track their usage. Okay, so you can set it at, let's say you only want this coupon to be used by them once ever, or once a day, or once a week, once a month, once a year. That's up to you. All right. Okay, then do you want this discount to be a stand-alone discount? If you say no, then your customers can stack coupons, which means they can use this coupon, this 50% off, with another coupon, probably another 50% off coupon, and then they'll get the item for free. Okay, so in this case, I want to say no, or rather standalone yes, set to yes, which means they cannot use this with another discount coupon. Then you can set whether you want this discount to be applied automatically. All right, if you say yes, then your customers need not necessarily remember this coupon ID. If they meet the requirements, they will qualify for the discount. Next, you can set where this discount is valid. For example, if you only have an online store, then okay, only the online store will be listed. All right, in this case, in this test store, you notice that this customer, or rather this merchant, has a post system, and the post system is being used at 2 outlets at 2 malls. So you can set whether this discount will be valid for all these areas, online only, or just the post system, or particular outlets. In this case, I'm going to set it to all, right? Next, you can set whether you want to enable coupon URL. All right, in this case you can just copy and send this to your customers to use. All right, and lastly, before we move on to selecting products, you can choose whether you want to email customers. That means you put in their name, email address, and you will email this link to your customers for them to use. All right, we'll say no here. All right, disable coupon URL. And next, let's go ahead and add new discount coupon. So you will see discount has been added, right? But we have to select products now. Okay, so this box is where the PIDs will appear. But first, we have to go and look for products to selected products which you want these coupons to apply to. I'm going to choose to make it easy, the 3 latest ones. But if you know the PIDs or the product name, you can search from here. You can use this search criteria, manufacturer number, product name, product ID, and you can search for products and select them and add them to the list. Okay. Okay, should appear up here. Once it's up there, click Add to Products Discount. Okay, so it's being added. Once it's added, click Publish. Okay, so let's see how we can use it on the store, or rather where you can use it on the store. So the first page you can apply the discount coupon is on your cart page. If you see the link here, have a discount or have a coupon gift cert, just click on it, apply the discount code, and there you get the discount. Right. So another place is the checkout page. In fact, there are 2 pages, checkout 1 and checkout 2. So if you see the link here, click on it and apply. But you won't be able to do so because the discount has already been applied earlier, remember, on the cart page. So if we try to apply it again, shouldn't be able to, and there you go.